Collecting leads at exhibitions? Take a photo. If you have a form with handwritten notes on it, just add the business card and take a photo. Our AI reads both printed text and your handwritten observations. Within 60 seconds, everything's in your CRM. Welcome to our automated exhibition lead follow-up system. Let me show you how we nurture every lead with a strategic 3-email sequence. Day 1. Immediate follow-up. Within just 1 hour of capturing a business card, we send the first email. This is the immediate follow-up. The subject line is personalized. Great meeting you at event name. The email makes a personal connection, references the specific conversation at your booth, and includes your product brochure. The goal here is simple. Remind them of your meeting and provide immediate value. This first email typically sees a 65% open rate and 28% click-through rate. Day 3. Value-add content. 3 days later, the second email goes out. This is our value-add content email. The subject, resource you might find helpful. Instead of selling, we educate. We send case studies, industry insights, or a solution demo tailored to their specific needs. This builds credibility and keeps you top of mind. Expected performance? 52% open rate with 35% of recipients clicking through to learn more. Day 7. Final touch. On day 7, we send the final email with a direct call to action. Subject, quick question about your goals. This email asks them to schedule a call, offers a consultation, or makes a soft close. The goal is to get a response, qualify their interest level, and move them into your active sales pipeline. This final email typically achieves a 45% open rate with an 18% reply rate. Summary stats. Across all 3 emails, we maintain an average 54% open rate, 27% overall engagement rate, and 18% response rate. These numbers are significantly higher than industry standards because of the strategic timing and personalized content. Now let me show you what happens after we send each email. This is where our intelligent response system really shines. Step 1. Email sent first. The email is sent from your address. We confirm delivery, track any bounces, and optimize send time based on the recipient's time zone. Step 2. Wait period. After sending, the system enters a waiting period. We silently monitor for responses. Step 3. Lead replies. Here's where it gets interesting. When a lead replies, the automated sequence immediately pauses. Our AI analyzes their response to understand the sentiment and intent. Step 4. AI response. The system then generates and sends an intelligent, context-aware response. It maintains the conversation naturally, asks qualifying questions, and keeps them engaged without any manual intervention from you. Step 5. Decision made. The AI continues the conversation until a clear decision is detected. This could be confirmed interest, a meeting request, or a clear not interested signal. Only when this decision point is reached do we notify you, so you're only spending time on qualified, ready-to-convert leads. Decision logic, if reply. Let's review the decision logic. If a lead replies, the AI analyzes their response, sends an intelligent reply, continues the conversation automatically, and only notifies you when interest is confirmed. This means you're never wasting time on tire kickers. Decision logic, if no reply. If there's no reply, we wait 48 hours after each email. If still no response, we send the next scheduled email. The sequence continues from day 1 to day 3 to day 7. After 3 emails with no engagement, we mark them as not interested and remove them from the active sequence. This intelligent system means you can focus on closing deals with interested leads, while the AI handles all the nurturing, qualification, and initial conversations automatically. Every lead gets professional, timely follow-up, and you only get involved when they're ready to buy.